How to deepen your voice naturally using mobile apps. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can do that. So it was very easy. For that we will use CapCut mobile app. If you guys don't have, you guys can download it from Play Store or App Store. So simply click on CapCut. Once we click here you guys will simply click on new video. Here you guys will simply import blank pic. Also you guys can import the video that have your voice. Once we import the blank pic, here you guys will click on audio. After that you guys will see extract sounds records. So simply click on sounds. Here you guys will simply click on that file manager on second one. Now you guys will simply select device. Now import the recording. Now for deepen voice we will simply click on that audio. Here you guys will see on down audio effects. So simply click on audio effects, but before that we will click on reduce noise. We will turn on it. After that we will click on enhance voice. We will turn on it and we will select noise cleanup on 100. So let's do that. After that we will scroll on left again. Here you guys will see audio effects. So simply click on audio effects. Here you guys will see voice characters, but we will ignore that. We will simply click on voice filters, and here you guys will see podcast, echo mic, echo, full voice mic, hog. So here you guys can select that one fits on your voice recording. Like you guys can see deep, so I'll simply click on deep. Once I click on deep, my voice will be selected on deep. So that's how you guys can do that. Thanks for watching.